First, check code posting job. Let's scroll down. And you can see Step 1, Step 2. From here, you have to take your code and you have to fill here. Per day, 10 code you can fill. You are in day 1. And now I have filled 1 code. So now I will fill the second code. For example, if I will click on, I will see these things. Okay? Now, to access this link, complete one option below, then in next page, you will get code. You can do any one task, like, play this game, or many of them available. This is offline play, this is download, okay? So suppose, go with this. Okay, fine. Now, play and install option available. We will check that. I have to complete this task. You can see here, this is pending. If we will complete the task, this will be done, and now we can access code link here, right? Suppose we will play this. Play game. Anything? From keyboard, you can do this, or from anywhere. Just for a few seconds, you have to play the game. Okay, fine. No, play again. Main menu. I have done the game. We will check that. It has done or not. Okay, sometimes it can take few minutes, right? I will close this, refresh this. I want to check that. Wait for this. Okay, like this. I'll have, to check other options also. In other option, I will click, then this tab opens. Name, address, submit entry. Task is done. Okay, fine. Now you have to take a small survey, okay? Read the question. Any answer, give. Question, 1 out of 10. 10 question, answer you have to give. Then your code page will be open, and your code page will be open like this. I will refresh this. Okay, done. I have done my task. Theke? Get code. You can see I receive, this page. I'm gonna scroll down, and here I have to wait. Okay, fine. This is my code now. This code I have to paste here. For every new code, you have to, go with this. Like, for 3, I will go here. Here also, I can see again these tasks. Now I have to do next task. Same like this, we will get this type of task. Like, I have to download this app, then my task will be complete, and I will receive page like this again and new code. But for this, I have to complete these type of task. These are very small and simple tasks. Sometime you will get a Play Store link also. You have to install the app. Install for some time, 1 or 2, 3 days, and then you can remove this app. But for completing your task, you have to install. Once you will complete, you will see. Yeah, and you will go, get your new page. Okay? This is very simple. 1 by 1. 10 code you have to fill here.